Depending on the situation, was could be fue, era, estuvo, estaba. And that's exactly what we are going to practice today. In this quiz, you'll answer 15 questions. First, we'll focus on era and fue. Then we'll move to estaba and estuvo. And finally, we'll have a mix of questions. For each question, choose the correct answer, the one you think is correct. Then I will show you the answer, the full sentences, and a bit of an explanation. Ready? ¡Empezamos! Question 1. My grandfather was a doctor. Opciones: A, fue, B, era, C, estuvo. Unos segundos. La opción correcta es era. Mi abuelo era médico. Why? We can't really measure it. So, being a doctor was part of who he was. Question number 2. The concert was fantastic. The options: A, fue, B, era, C, estuvo. Unos segundos. The answer is fue. El concierto fue fantástico. Why? The concert happened just once. It's bound by time, so fue. Question 3. When I was a child, I loved football. Opciones: A, estuvo, B, fue, C, era. Unos segundos. The answer is era. Cuando era niño, me encantaba el fútbol. Why? This describes a period of time, a period of life, but it's not really bound by time. There is no clear time, really. Question 4. The meeting was yesterday. Las opciones: A, era, B, fue, C, estuvo. Unos segundos. La opción correcta, perdón, es B, ¿no? La reunión fue ayer. ¿Por qué? One meeting, easy to count. Ayer is bound by time, that's it. Fue. Pregunta 5, question 5. My school was very strict. Opciones: era, B, fue, C, estuvo. Unos segundos. The answer is era. Mi colegio era muy estricto. Why? There is no time. There is a description of how was the school, so we can't really measure it. Okay, the next questions are estaba o estuvo. Question 6. I was in Madrid for 3 days. Las opciones: A, estaba, B, era, C, estuve. Unos segundos. The answer is C, estuve. Estuve en Madrid durante 3 días. Why? 3 days, we can count, we can measure it. It's bound by time. ¿Qué tal? How are you doing? Don't forget to put your results in the comments. If you like the video, like and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, become a member. That helps me to make more videos. And I have a free resource with this as well. The link is on the description. Seguimos. Question 7. She was nervous before the exam. Las opciones: A, estaba, B, estuvo, C, fue. Unos segundos. The answer is estaba. Estaba nerviosa antes del examen. ¿Por qué? We are describing a state. There is no time really. There is not bound by time, if you want. Question 8. The children were at home all afternoon. Opciones: A, estuvieron, B, estaban, C, fueron. Unos segundos. The answer is A, estuvieron. Los niños estuvieron en casa toda la tarde. ¿Por qué? Why? The time is clearly bounded all afternoon. So we are bounded by time. Boom. Question 9. The door was open. Opciones: A era, B estuvo, C estaba. Unos segundos. La opción correcta es C, estaba. La puerta estaba abierta. Why? We are describing a situation. Again, there is no clear boundary. It's not a beginning or an end. So, describing the situation. Question 10. I was there for an hour. Opciones: A, estuve, B, estaba, C, fue. Unos segundos. La opción correcta es A, estuve. Estuve allí durante una hora. ¿Por qué? 1 hour is clearly measurable, sorry, is bound by time. So, estuve. Okay, the next round, the next 5 questions, we're gonna mix everything together. Fue, era, estuvo, estaba. Let's see how you do. Question 11. The party was amazing. Las opciones: A, estaba, B, fue, C, era. Unos segundos. The answer is B, fue. La fiesta fue increíble. Why? One party, one time, one event. Fue. Question 12. The hotel was old. Las opciones: A, estaba, B, fue, C, era. ¿Sabes esta? Unos segundos. The answer is C, era. El hotel era antiguo. Why? We are describing the hotel in the past, so it's not really measured. We're not measuring it. Question 13. He was angry. Las opciones: A, estaba, B, era, C, fue. Unos segundos. The answer is A, estaba enfadado. Why? Being angry is a state, is not part of an identity, and is not really measurable. We can't really measurable. So it is star and imperfect. Question 14. I was in London last weekend. Las opciones: A, era, B, estuve, C, estaba. Unos segundos. The answer is B, estuve. Estuve en Londres el fin de semana pasado. Why? Last weekend give us a measurable period of time. Fin de semana pasado, ¿no? Question 15. My father was a teacher for 20 years. Opciones: A, era, B, estaba, C, fue. Unos segundos. La opción correcta es C, fue. Mi padre fue profesor durante 20 años. Why? 20 years is measurable. I can't say that word. The period is bounded by time anyway. I hope this quiz has helped you feel a little more confident with fue, era, estuvo, and estaba. And if you want to keep practicing, download my PDF in the comments or in the description. Let me know in the comments how you did, and if you like the video, like, subscribe, become a member. Nos vemos la próxima vez. Hasta luego.